Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Jeep Wrangler key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, as you'll need them for the process. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful programming experience for your new or replacement fob. Let's get started. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all your key fobs. Insert an already programmed key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then immediately back to OFF 4 times within 10 seconds. This sequence initiates the programming mode for your vehicle. Listen for a chime or observe a light on your dashboard, indicating successful entry into programming mode. Once in programming mode, insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn this new key to the on position and hold it there for about 5 seconds. The vehicle will chime, confirming the new key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more new fobs, remove the current one and repeat this step for each additional fob you wish to program. To exit programming mode, simply turn the last programmed key to the OFF position and remove it from the ignition. This action signals the vehicle to save all the new key fob information. Now, take a moment to test each of your key fobs, both old and new, to ensure they lock, unlock, and start the vehicle properly. Congratulations, you've successfully programmed your key fobs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.